Okay, so for our last practice exercise, so this one will be more difficult from our 3 previous exercises or problems. So the problem is, a swine ration containing 16% crude protein will be formulated using ground yellow corn with 8.5% CP and soybean oil meal 44% CP. If there will be 150 hogs or 150 baboys consuming 2 kilograms a day, how much of each feedstuff will be needed if this ration will be fed in 14 days or 2 weeks? If corn costs 12 pesos per kilo or kilogram and soybean oil meal costs 29 pesos per kilogram, what will be the cost per kilogram ration? So it's a bit difficult, no? So based on the problem, we can see that there are 2 questions. So that is why makita nyo sa papel na instead na tama na siya step 5, we added another step, replacing the checking, no? So naisbog si checking sa step 6. So the first question that we need to take is how much of each will be needed if this ration will be fed in 14 days. Kana. Since wala may na-mention na pila ang total ration needed, so that's we need to solve. That is step 1. And then the next question is, if corn costs 12 pesos per kilogram and soybean oil meal costs 29 pesos per kilogram, what will be the cost per kilogram ration? So this is another question na karon na siya nag-pop up. So that's why gibutang siya there is a step 5 or determining the cost per kilogram. Okay, so let us proceed sa step 1. So as usual, sa given, we will lay down all the details based on the problem. So first is the desired CP. So based on the problem, the desired CP would be 16% is 1. And then for the ingredients, we can see that there are 2, or for the feedstuffs. So we have the ground yellow corn and the soybean oil meal. Ground yellow corn, so sulat na nato pari siya taas JYC, no, and then SBOM. So JYC, ang iyang crude protein is 8.5% CP. Yan kare. And then soybean oil meal or SBOM is 44%. Now the karang question ha, what is the total ration needed? Total ration needed. So diba as indicated dari no? So there will be 150 hogs. 150 hogs, and then it times na to siya sa 2 kilos. So each hog it's 2 kilos of feeds per day, and then we multiply it again for how many days? So 14 days. So the answer would be 150 times 2 times 14. So the answer would be 4,200 kilograms. So this is now our total ration needed. This one. Okay. So now that we have inputted all the givens that we need, now let us proceed to step 2, the square. Let us draw our square and then put 16 on the center of the square as the desired CP. This one. And then let's put the feedstuffs on this side. So JYC is 8.5%, and then the SBOM is 44%. So again, crisscrossing, we subtract 44 from 16, so that would yield to 28 parts. And then the ground yellow corn will be subtracted, or the 8.5 from ground yellow corn will be subtracted with 16, so that would lead us with 7.5 parts. So the 28 parts is for the ground yellow corn. Let's just put label ground yellow corn, and then the 7.5 parts is for the SBOM. So inana na siya. Okay. So pag na-determine na to ang each parts, we have to determine also the total parts. So 28 plus 7.5 would yield to 35.5 total parts. Yan. So now let's proceed to step 3, determining the percent per feedstock. So for the ground yellow corn, we know na siya 28 parts, and we will divide that with 35.5 total parts times 100 to get the percent. No, so 28 divided by 35.5 times 100 is 78.87% ground yellow corn. Okay, and then now for SBOM, we know na siya 7.5 parts. 7.5. Now let's divide it with the total parts, which is 35.5. Then multiply it with 100 to get the percent. So now we would get 21.13% SBOM. So to check if it is indeed 100%, no? So let us add the two, 78.87% plus 21.13%, and yep, it's 100%, so tama siya. Now let us proceed to step 4, determining the kilogram per feedstuff. So now nakabalota na in each ration, 100% ration, there will be 78.87% ground yellow corn and then 21.13% soybean oil meal. Let us determine how many kilograms of which will be used, no? So for ground yellow corn, let us take this number, this percent, and convert it into decimal. So may mo siyang 0.7887. Then we multiply it with pila ang atong total ration needed. Pila ba total ration needed? So that would be 4,200 kilograms, right? So ibutang na to 4,200 kg. 0.7887 times 4,200. So that would yield to 3,312.54 kilograms ground yellow corn. Nakuha, okay? So, nanagin na siya. Basta, ang total ration needed is 4,200 kilograms. Now, let us determine how many kilos of SBOM will be needed to complete the 4,200 kilogram total ration. No? So SBOM, let's take this number 21.13 and convert it into decimal. So let's move this dot into decimal places. So that would turn into 0.2113. Okay, then multiply it with the total ration needed, kilogram, and then we multiply both. 0.2113 times 4,200 would yield to 887.46 kilogram SBOM. So to add, no, if we indeed got the total of 4,200, so let's add this one, 3,312.54 plus 887.46. Okay, so tama ta. Check. So now let us proceed to step 5 kung bago. So listen carefully. So nakuha na nato ang answer for the first question, how much of each will be needed. So it is important that you square this ones up to emphasize na kali inyong answer for the first question. Then for second question, determining cost per kilogram. So mobalik ta sa kung pila ka kilograms in 4,200 kilograms atong kailangan per feedstuff. So let us take this number, ground yellow corn, mugamit ta og 3,312.54 kilograms. No? So balikan na tong question. Nakabutang dali sa given na the corn costs around 12 pesos per kilo. So let us multiply this with 12 pesos. 3,312.54 times 12. So that is 39,750.48 cents. That is only for the yellow corn, ground yellow corn. Then for S-BOM, we would take this number, the 887.46 kilograms of S-BOM, multiply it. If pila ang presyo sa S-BOM or soybean oil meal, is 29 pesos. So 887.46 times 29 pesos, then the answer would be 25,736.34 centavos or cents. So pare-add na tong duha, 39,750.48 plus 25,736.34. So the total would be 65,486.82 centavos. Now to get the cost per kilogram, atong balikan kung how many total the ration do we need, no? So kali siya, this is only the cost. So ang formula for this one should be cost over kilogram. How do we do this? So this is the cost, right? And then the kilogram is here. Kari sa kilogram. So ato na siyang i-input, no? So PHP 65,486.82 pesos divided by 4,200 kilograms. And the answer would be divided by 4. The answer would be 15 and 59 per kilo. So this is the answer for the question number 2. What will be the cost per kilogram of the ration? So if you take, if you make the ration with the ingredients ground yellow corn and S-BOM with this following food protein contents, the price or the cost per kilogram of this specific ration will be 15 pesos and 59 centavos per kilogram, no? And then sorry day class, nalimutan ako butang sa given ang prices. So the price of corn, price of S-BOM, butang pa rin dapat siya dari, ano? So sorry about that, butang natin siya 12 pesos, and then for S-BOM is 29 pesos. So kana siya, appeal na siya sa given. Okay, and to check, mabalik na ulit sa percentages. So 78.87% ground yellow corn times how many ang iyahang crude protein content. So balik ta ulit sa given. So ang iyahang crude protein content is 8.5%. So if we convert it into decimal, maging ano siya, 0.085. (0.085) 78.87 times 0.085. So we'll get 6.70% CP for ground yellow corn. And then for S-BOM, we'll do the same thing. It's just that 21.13 ang iyang value dari, and then ang iyahang crude protein content sa given is 44. So convert the percent into decimal, so maging 0.44. 21.13 times 0.44, so that would yield to 9.30% CP for S-BOM. So dapat ang iyahang makuha na value is ang desired CP, which is 16. So let's find out kung nakuha ba na to. 6.70 plus 9.30. Okay, so the answer was indeed 16% CP. So ibig sabihin, tama ta, no? Ito siyang nakuha.